Hello friends, welcome to quiz number 19. So, after looking into this question, what do you guess the output should be? Option A, option B, option C, option D, or option E? These 5 options are provided below. So, write in the comment box as to what you think the correct answer is among these 5 options. So, after looking into the question, you must have guessed it correctly that it is a question from recursion topic. So what is recursion? Recursion is a process or a technique where the method calls itself. So as you can see, this method is calling itself. The method guess is calling itself. So let's figure out what the answer is. Let's try to solve the question. Let me open the notepad to explain it to you. So in this case, if you go to the main function, the function guess is passing the value 1, 2, 3, 4. So when it goes to line number 3 where the function is there, so the value of x here in this case is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now line number 4 says to print this value out. The value is x modulus n. So as you might be already knowing, modulus is used to get the remainder. So 1, 2, 3, 4 modulus 10 will give me the remainder as 4. 4 is the remainder in this case. And it will print me 4. So we know the first number that will get printed is number 4. Fine. So what all are the options which contain number 4 in the beginning? So it is option C and option D. So among the options C and D, we need to figure out which one will be the correct answer. So let's do so. Okay, so for the first thing is number 4, then we go to the if condition. The if condition says if x divided by 10. So x divided by 10 means what? 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 10 gives me 123. If 123 is not equals to 0, yes, it is not equals to 0, we know. So we'll go inside the if condition and I will go to the method again. And now it says x divided by 10, which means I pass on value 123. Okay. When I pass on 123, so this method guess is calling itself again. Okay, fine. So I call this method again. So when I call this method again, I go back to line number 4. I need to do the printing of x modulus, which is 123 in this case, modulus 10. Gives me the remainder as 3. So after 4, I know the second number is 3. So again, C and D are still same. I get 4, 3 as the first 2 digits. Fine. Now, when I do that, and then the next step in the line number 6 says x divided by 10 means 123 divided by 10 gives me what? Gives me 12. So, is 12 not equals to 0? Yes, 12 is not equals to 0. So I can safely go inside the if condition. Then what does it say? It says guess. The value of x is what now? The value of x is 123. 123 divided by 10 gives me 12. Okay. Now it tells me I call the guess method again. Now this is all recursion happening. So I go back again to line number 4. Now it says x modulus 10 gives me 2 as the remainder. So I already had calculated 4, 3, and now I get 2 also. Again, the options C and D are still the same. Fine. Then after that, I go to the if condition where it says 12 divided by 10, which gives me what? It gives me 1 as the quotient, right? 2 was the remainder, 1 is the quotient. So is this not equals to 0? Yes, it's not. 1 is not equals to 0. I can go to the if condition again. Now, if condition says go to the function guess and do what? X divided by 10. So x divided by 10 will give me 1. Fine. So I go back and I call myself, the guess function again. Now in this x function, it is line number 4 says x modulus, x is 1 now, modulus 10. So what should be the remainder? The remainder will be 1 only. Yeah. 1 divided by 10, the remainder will be 1 because we are dealing with integers. We can't do it in decimals. So it will be still 1. So I already had had 5, 4, 3, 2, and I now can print 1 also. Again, the options C and D are still the same in terms of the answer we are trying to guess. So till here, things are fine. Now, if I see, if I go to the if condition, so 1 divided by 10. See, if I can't divide 1 by 10 in terms of integers. So the quotient is 0. So I cannot go to the if condition anymore. So I now go to line number 11. And line number 11 says to me what? 1 modulus 10. Line number 11. So it gives me 1 as the remainder. So after printing 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, the next number I print is 1. So option C is ruled out. Option C is not correct because I get 1 also after this. See, I go to line number 1 and I get 1 as the answer when I divide 1 by 10 and the remainder is 1. 1 divided by 10, the remainder is 1. So I get 1. So I can figure out, yes, T is the correct answer. But if you want to see how do I get the rest of the digits, see what happens. After this, start going back to your functions. So first time you got 1, then you trace back to the guess function again. You go back again and then you do in this case, when you go to line number 12, line number 11, 12 modulus 10 gives me the remainder as 2. So after 1, I go 2. So I have to trace back to all the guess functions I had called so far. See, this is recursion. Stacking is happening one after the other. The stacks are there. All these are stacks. Initially I had called the guess function with 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I had called with 1, 2, 3. Then I had called with 12. Then with 1. So I'm going back again. See, I solved the last one. Then I'm going to this one. Then I go here. And then 123 modulus 10 will give me 3. So I add on 3 here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, which I've not written here exactly, but 1, 2, 3, 4, when I divide it by 10, the remainder will be 4. The first guess function, I should say, was 1, 2, 3, 4. So here, when I go to line number 11, it gives me 4 as the result. So I'm tracing it back. So this is how it gives me 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So option D is the correct answer. Hope you were able to guess this out correctly. If you have any doubts or if you want to understand recursion in detail, do message me in the comment box and I will come up with a video of recursion. Bye for now. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you so much.